Hello ladies and gentlemen, welcome to Equipment Remarketing. I'm going to give you a video here of a nice 2014 Moffett M55 sitting here showing 2,050 hours. Now this thing has a 10-foot mast, comes with a backrest, and it has brick and block forks. For free, you can swap out and get a set of pallet forks if you like. Now this thing has been completely refurbished and repainted. When we repaint these, we take off the roll cage, the diamond plating, the seat, the battery covers, many of these other covers. You can see evidence of new covers here and there. And what we do, anything that's easily removable, we paint them separately, so that way we can get gray paint and red paint all over and in between everything. Then, ladies and gentlemen, we put it all back together so we have a long-lasting finish. We also refurbish this, so what we do is we look for anything bad such as pins, bushings, mast chains, bearings, pins, rollers, anything wearable that's gone ahead and checked. If it's out of spec, it's replaced. Ladies and gentlemen, we also pressure and leak test. So if you find your hydraulic pump needs work or needs rebuilt, it's taken care of. If it's to spec, it's taken care of. Now, ladies and gentlemen, also, this engine has had the oil change and you have new filters and date coded. Now, ladies and gentlemen, also check out this engine here. This is a Kubota V2203, very solid engine. Now, if we find any leaks, we go ahead and replace hoses or rebuild cylinders, take care of motors, any wheel motors, anything such as that matter. There's evidence of new hoses here and there if you can look up close. Now we're going to go ahead and we're going to give you an operational of this. Now you can get an operational guarantee. What that means is it's going to show up the condition I've shown you here today. We're going to back you up and help you get it fixed. This Kubota engine is backed up for 30 additional days. Hear that Kubota come to life. Now we're going to take the mast up and down. Here's your mast going up and down. We have tilt. We have side shift. We have outriggers. We'll show you the mast going in and out. Now, ladies and gentlemen, all your lights are working. We're going to just drive it around a little bit here to show you that the hydraulic motors are all in sync. Your steering's tight. Your backup alarm's working. Okay, now ladies and gentlemen, I'm going to go ahead and show you, go ahead and shut it off. We're going to go ahead and tell you that you can buy this thing. You can give us a call at 260-238-4998. 260-238-4998. You can also check us out on the web, 99lifts.com, 99lifts.com.